I low-key feel like I'm in the show Gilmore Girls, and like that's like their little town, little spot where they always eat. Like we're like Rory tells her mom that she's pregnant. You know that scene? Yeah, that's how I feel. See ya in Leavenworth or Leavenworth. I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna go visit that. See ya, sissy. I miss you, sissy. But anyways, my sister recommended this, so love you and see you there. I'm basic.
Smells good.
Oh, why? Welcome to Leavenworth. Leavenworth. Welcome to Leavenworth. My camera looks better than one of these. Oh, a code stone. Everything's all the same, just it looks different. This one's the coolest one out of all. You guys just want to look at aesthetics. We're rerouting further than we expected, but it's a cute drive. Okay guys, so we ended up not doing much. Next stop, Leavenworth. Ready? Set. Never in my life have I already done that. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go up to that bridge over there. I don't know if you can see it from here. We're gonna go on that bridge. I think it's open. I don't know, so we'll find out. Dude, I've never in my life experienced the smell of fall. It's kind of scary. Loca. Watching this, mom, this is what I did instead of going to California. Hola mami, te extraño mami. I low-key feel like I'm in the show Gilmore Girls, and like that's like the little town, little spot where they always eat. Like What did you say about me?
When all she thinks about is food.
Expectations.
Thank you.
We're glad you're here.
Thank you.
So we decided we're gonna do the snitchel with snitch? Snitches get stitches? Okay, we're gonna do the snitchel, which is pork cutlet, deep fried and breaded. And then we're gonna get this other one, it's a pork, what? Pork cock, which is just like on the leg, or the leg of the pig.
I don't know. We're gonna find out what it is.
So we'll find out, but I'm excited for the mashed potatoes and hot apple cider. Oh, it's good. Oh, you're no, don't drink it. Tastes like hot. It tastes good. It's really sweet and lemony. Apple-y, but not like a lot. And it has a little cinnamon in there.
That schnitzel. And here's some plates for you to make that look easier.
I appreciate it.
Look, potatoes.
There's a vegetarian one.
Literally. I need a poopy.
Oh my god, you're so bad.
I'm hungry though, it's good. I need this, I just want to eat now. That's the only reason I don't like doing YouTube. What's new? This is not for vegans or vegetarians. Okay, let's go. The top is like a chicharron. It's like really cooked. It's weird, but it tastes like breaded shrimp. You didn't know that? It's juicy though.
I thought it was gonna be more like ham.
It tastes more like
That's what I was expecting, yeah.
Oh, God.
it's like a mustard sauce.
You don't like this, huh? I knew it. Your face.
My battery's dying.
Oh no.
But I'm not a pork person. But this is my favorite. The schnitzel.
It was an experience.
It was an experience.
That's all we can.
It's true. Okay, so we're leaving Leavenworth, and after that schnitzel, I took a shitzel. I'm just kidding, but it wasn't that good. I'm sorry. I don't know. Nothing was really that like. I mean, nothing. There was no flavor that was like, whoa. The crust was good in the schnitzel though. Whatever it's called.